Services Central connects your lab to a digital network of resources. It is designed to help you manage, service, and gain a deeper understanding of your instruments and equipment. Add your supported instruments and equipment to Services Central to take advantage of all the benefits it provides. This video will show you how to add your Thermo Fisher Scientific instruments or equipment to Services Central. Start off by signing in to your Thermo Fisher Scientific account or create a new account at thermofisher.com/servicescentral/login. To add instruments to your account, select Add Instruments in the left navigation menu. On the Add Instruments page, you can add your instruments using manual entry or bulk upload. If you have more than 20 instruments, we recommend following the bulk upload process. To manually add your instruments, you will need to enter serial numbers one at a time, add a nickname for each instrument, select Continue, review which serial numbers were recognized, manually correct any serial numbers that were not found, or uncheck the box to exclude, then select Continue. A summary page will show how many instruments were added successfully. If you have a large number of instruments you want to upload, select Bulk Upload. Download the .xlsx template. Please make sure to follow the instructions within the template. Copy and paste your serial numbers into the template. You can upload up to 50 instruments at a time. Add nicknames into the .xlsx file. Drag and drop or upload the .xlsx file into the upload box. Once the file has been uploaded, select Continue. Review which serial numbers were recognized. Correct any serial numbers that were not found, review suggestions, and decide to skip or add. Then, select Continue. You will see a summary page showing you how many instruments were added successfully. If you have trouble adding instruments to the Services Central platform, please contact us for assistance at servicescentralsupport@thermofisher.com. Visit thermofisher.com/servicescentral/login to get started.